Hey, what's going on, everybody? Are you using an older version of AngularJS, maybe 1.8, and now you have to fix security vulnerabilities, you have compliance issues, you need to get things straightened out? Well, let me show you what the ELS solution from TuxCare offers for AngularJS 1.8. So first things first, let's say you have your AngularJS app running. We have it installed right here in VS Code. And right now, if we were to run npm audit, we'll see that there's one high severity vulnerability. Well, we want to fix that. So we at TuxCare offer a solution for end-of-life support that'll get you on your way. So first things first, let's clear out the terminal. And in our root of our project, we are going to create an npmrc file. So we're going to touch .npmrc. That's going to create the npmrc file at the root of our project. And within that, we are going to add a registry. And this registry is going to point to the TuxCare repo that has the solution to implement for the end-of-life support. So I'm just going to copy and paste that into our npmrc file. I'm going to hit save. Now, as you can see here, this token you are going to get through sales@tuxcare.com. We provide you the token to put there. Make sure you don't give that to anybody. That's kind of a one and done kind of thing. You're going to hit save. And then you are going to come over here to this package JSON, and you're going to see that the Angular 1.8 version is installed. You are going to go to our docs, and we have the solution for the dependencies. You're going to take the dependencies that we give you, and you're going to copy and paste them, and that's going to pull from our stuff at TuxCare. So we're going to hit save. In this example, I'm just going to use ABC 1, 2, 3, your token, if I can spell, and hit save. And now the next thing that you're going to run is the npm command, which can be found npm install --userconfig .npmrc. That's going to install the dependencies for you for our ELS solution for version 1.8 of AngularJS. And now you can see one package was changed and two packages were audited in 1 second, found 0 vulnerabilities. Now, if you want to double check that, just run npm audit and you should get the same result, found 0 vulnerabilities. This is how you get set up with the AngularJS 1.8 ELS solution from TuxCare. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions, and we'll catch you on the flip. Peace.